At Toyota of Greensburg, more is more, meaning that there are more reasons to choose Toyota of Greensburg. Like how only at Toyota of Greensburg does any new car purchase come with a lifetime limited warranty, and any new lease comes with 3 years of maintenance instead of the regular 2. Or how Toyota of Greensburg provides a lifetime of free car washes and free shuttles to Westmoreland Mall or your office. Toyota of Greensburg has one of the highest rated service departments in the area. There is no appointment necessary for express lube service, and all work is done by certified Toyota technicians with OEM parts at honest and competitive prices. If your car requires overnight maintenance, get a free loaner. Toyota of Greensburg has 10 acres of Toyotas. That's a lot of options to choose from.
Toyota of Greensburg is the #1 new car Toyota dealer by volume in the Pittsburgh area for 2017.
They are also proud to support their community through many local sponsorships and events. So when it comes time to buy, remember that Toyota of Greensburg treats customers the way they treat their family. That's why they make customers for life. The decision to buy a new car is a big one, but it doesn't have to be a hard one. Visit toyotaofgreensburg.com where more is more.